Good morning, everyone. Today's the day. Oh my goodness, this bench needs to be repainted. I will do that. I need to get some plants over there. But this is Florida, and we get mosquitoes and lizards. That's one reason why you always see it so clear of plants. But over here, I want to get this hedge cut down today. If I have time, I'll do it. The temperature today is actually, hold on. It's 37 degrees. This morning it was like 31. So it got a little bit warmer. Fun fact, these are actually hardy to frost. Well, in my zone they are. So they're actually doing well. Oh, we got white flowers shooting out. Yay. So exciting. Today's the day. I'm getting my hedge cut. My husband is getting ready to get his chainsaw out. So excited. Let's clear this area off. It is time. So I'm just putting this here temporarily. And I got this at Publix. And I'm going to plant one in the ground. You guys know I'm determined to get a tulip blooming this year. So in this bag, I need to do this properly. But whenever you order from Proven Winners, you get recipe books for plants. Isn't this so cool? Look at that. So many different things to try. Look at this one. This one's pretty. There go Laura. Hi, Laura. There go Jenny. Hi, Norman. Okay, so let's get started. All right, guys, so this is the very last bush that's in the front, but look at the progress already. Look how much open it is. And we're gonna take some from the side. So let's get this last one taken care of. And that's it, guys. We have an open porch. So beautiful. And we need to clean that column now that we can see it. Thanks, babe. Look at the difference. Wow. Okay, everyone, here's the big reveal of our garden transformation. So we have our Supertunia vistas here. We still have a bit of work to do, but look, ta-da! The hedge is gone. It looks so much more open. Look at that, wow. And I put the bench right here. But look at that. Let's take a closer look. I still have to come in and mulch. I haven't mulched yet. But here we are. So this is actually a tulip. I got this tulip at Publix for like $6. So excited. I'm going to do something fun with it. Come up in my next video, so stay tuned for that. But look, I got this table and chair I've had for a while. It's just been blocked by the hedges, so you couldn't really see it. I moved the planters here. Don't worry. These tree stumps, I will dig them out, but we're calling it a day for now, so that will be something for later. But look, all my bulbs are in that area there. Can't wait for those to come up. I have to go in and plant my rose. I have quite a few roses to plant. Well, actually 3. But this is amazing. Wow. So we have our... I'm going to move this and get rid of this planters. Busted is not going to make it another season, and it's not going to look too good with duct tape on it. There go all my tulip bulbs in there. My daffodils I'm waiting for. Daisies, not daisies, hyacinths. We're waiting for that. But here we are. So I put the bench over there, and my vintage mums are over there, and my little helper over there. But look, it's so beautiful. Why do you look so guilty?